Your eyesight is fading at night. These 4 simple drinks can save it. Have you ever woken up after a full night's sleep, only to find your eyes still feel dry, strained, or even a little blurry? It's not just age. It's not just bad luck. And it's definitely not something you have to accept as just the way it is. The truth is, your eyes, just like the rest of your body, have the ability to repair and regenerate while you sleep. But here's the catch. They can only do that if you give them the right conditions. And sometimes that condition is as simple as what you drink in the hour before bed. Sounds strange? Maybe. But the 60 minutes before you drift off to sleep can set the tone for how well your eyes recover from an entire day of blue light, dust, and visual stress. And after 60, those recovery windows matter more than ever. According to a 2025 report by the American Academy of Ophthalmology, more than 40% of adults over 60 are experiencing vision decline without even noticing it. And here's the part no one talks about. 80% aren't getting the specific nutrients their eyes need at night, when repair is most active. Think about it. Your body uses sleep to rebuild muscle, restore your immune system, and clear out mental fog. Your eyes are no different. They need fuel to restore the delicate retinal cells, boost circulation, and calm inflammation. Without it, every morning starts at a disadvantage. The good news? You don't need complicated supplements or expensive treatments to start protecting your eyes overnight. Science has shown that 4 simple, natural, and affordable bedtime drinks can give your vision exactly what it needs while you sleep. They're easy to find, easy to prepare, and each one works in its own way to support better eyesight. Stay with me until the end, because if you miss even one of these, you might miss the one that could make the biggest difference for you. And before we dive in, if you care about your eye health, or you're looking out for someone over 60 you love, please take a second to like this video, share it with your family, and subscribe so we can keep uncovering natural, science-backed ways to protect your vision together. Drink number 1, golden milk. Turmeric milk. It's warm, it's comforting, and it's a centuries-old remedy that's now backed by modern eye health research. Golden milk is simply warm milk mixed with turmeric and a pinch of black pepper. Simple, but powerful. The magic comes from curcumin, the main compound in turmeric. Curcumin is a strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. A 2024 study in the Journal of Clinical Ophthalmology found that curcumin may actually slow the progression of age-related macular degeneration, a disease that affects central vision and impacts over 11 million Americans. It also boosts blood flow to the tiny capillaries in your eyes, helping reduce dryness and fatigue. Warm milk adds another layer of benefit. It naturally boosts melatonin production, helping you sleep deeper. And deeper sleep means more effective overnight repair, not just for your body, but for your eyes. How to make it. Warm 1 cup of milk, dairy, almond, or oat. Stir in half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper to help your body absorb it. Add honey or cinnamon if you like. Drink it 30 to 60 minutes before bed and keep it at least an hour apart from any prescription medications. Drink number 2, chamomile tea. Not everyone loves milk before bed. If you prefer something lighter, chamomile tea is your friend. Most people know chamomile for its calming effects, but few realize it also carries compounds like apigenin and luteolin, flavonoids that help reduce inflammation and protect retinal cells from oxidative damage. Chamomile also promotes gentle vasodilation, meaning it helps widen blood vessels, improving circulation to the back of your eyes. That extra blood flow during sleep gives your retina a better chance to repair itself and reduces morning eye fatigue. To prepare, steep a chamomile tea bag or 1 teaspoon of dried flowers in hot water for 7-10 minutes. Add a slice of ginger to further boost circulation or a small spoon of raw honey for its soothing properties. Drink it about 45 minutes before bed in a dimly lit space, letting the steam and scent relax you before the first sip. Drink number 3, diluted blueberry juice. Blueberries aren't just a healthy snack. They're one of the richest sources of anthocyanins, flavonoids, that have been shown to improve retinal blood flow, strengthen blood vessel walls, and help the eyes adapt to darkness more easily. A 2023 study in Nutrients found that daily anthocyanin intake reduced oxidative stress in older adults and improved vision in low light. Instead of drinking straight blueberry juice, which can be high in natural sugars, dilute it with warm water. This slows absorption and avoids spikes in blood sugar that can interfere with sleep. Mix 50 to 70 milliliters of pure, unsweetened blueberry juice with the same amount of warm water. If fresh juice isn't available, 1 teaspoon of freeze-dried blueberry powder mixed into 150 milliliters of warm water works too. Drink it 45 to 60 minutes before bed, and in a few weeks you may notice less dryness in the morning, better light adaptation, and less strain by day's end. Drink number 4, warm water with fish oil. This one surprises most people. Omega-3 fatty acids, especially DHA, are essential for healthy retinas and tear production. Without enough DHA, your eyes can't keep themselves properly lubricated, leading to morning dryness and blurry vision. A 2023 study in investigative ophthalmology and visual science found that daily DHA intake improved tear film thickness and reduced dry eye symptoms. Instead of taking fish oil capsules, try adding 1 or 2 drops of pure, high-quality fish oil to a cup of warm water before bed. The gentle heat helps it mix, reduces the fishy taste, and makes it easier to digest, especially on an empty stomach. Choose fish oil from deep-sea fish with no artificial flavors, and if you dislike the taste, add a drop of lemon juice or a thin slice of ginger. As always, if you're on blood thinners or blood pressure medication, check with your doctor before starting. Bringing it all together: golden milk for inflammation, chamomile tea for circulation and relaxation, blueberry juice for antioxidant protection, fish oil water for hydration and lubrication. 4 drinks, 4 different pathways to protecting your vision while you sleep. You don't need all 4 every night. Just start with 1 or 2 that feel right for you and stay consistent. Your body responds to what you do regularly, not what you do once. So tonight, before you reach for the remote or check your phone one last time, think about your eyes. What you drink in the next hour could be the difference between waking up foggy and waking up with clearer, more comfortable vision. If you found this helpful, please like this video, share it with someone who could use it, and subscribe so we can keep exploring natural, science-backed ways to protect your health. And now I'd love to hear from you. Which of these 4 drinks are you most excited to try tonight?